In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Google Meet. If you want to set up a meeting in advance and make sure everyone has the right link, Google Meet makes the process very simple. The easiest way to do it is through Google Meet and Google Calendar together, so you can create the meeting and organize all the details in one place. To begin, go to Google Meet in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see the main Meet homepage, where you can start or plan meetings. This is the best place to begin if you want to create a meeting ahead of time, instead of starting one instantly. From there, click on New Meeting. This button opens a small menu with different meeting options. Since the goal here is to schedule the meeting for later, look for the option that says Schedule in Google Calendar and click on it. This will automatically open Google Calendar with a new event page, and the Google Meet video link will already be attached to the event for you. That's helpful because it saves time and reduces the chance of forgetting to add the meeting link manually. Now fill in the meeting details. This is where you customize the event so your invitees know exactly what the meeting is for and when it's happening. Add a clear title for the meeting, then choose the correct date and time. If needed, you can also adjust the time zone, which is especially useful if people are joining from different locations. You may also want to add guests, include a short description, or enter a location if there's any additional context people should know. Taking an extra moment here helps your invitation look more professional and makes the meeting easier for everyone to join and understand. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly review the information on the screen. Make sure the title is correct, the date and time are accurate, and that the Google Meet link appears in the event. This quick check can prevent confusion later. Once everything looks good, click Save. At that point, Google Calendar will finalize the event. If you added guests, you may also be prompted to send invitations, which is usually the best option so everyone receives the meeting details right away. And that's it. Your Google Meet is now scheduled and the event is ready in Google Calendar with the meeting link included. It's a fast and reliable way to organize online meetings, whether you're planning a class, a team call, or a one-on-one conversation.